Gotta feed a family fast. This Presto electric griddle is a great addition to your kitchen. Goes up to 400 degrees and has a warming setting. Simply plug in the adapter there and then it plugs into your outlet. Here we're making lots of bacon, but we're also going to be making eggs and pancakes, and you can do everything on the same griddle. After the bacon is done, you can just scrape off the little pieces into the little container, like we're doing here. Spread the bacon grease around, and then add in your eggs. What I love about this is if you've got more than, if you're making more than just a couple of eggs, and especially if you want to make different versions, like right here, we're going to do one version with some hatch green chilies. The other version is for the kids. They don't want the green chilies in their eggs. So using the skittle in this way allows you to use one apparatus instead of having multiple frying pans going. This just makes it really easy and simple. Next, we're doing pancakes, so spray the griddle with some cooking spray, and then you can add in your pancakes. You can make lots of little ones all on one single skillet, and one of the benefits here is not having to have multiple pans out and do multiple things for dishes, which is a time saver. We love this for our family. I like that you can also take this camping if you've got a power source. Oops, missed a pancake. Let's try that again. There we go. This is just great, especially if you've got a bigger family and you just want one thing to make your breakfast on. Makes cleanup really simple and easy, and all around it's just fun to use, really. Thank you so much for watching. Lucy gets a pancake too. Hope you found this helpful. Bye.
It's time for grilled cheese on the Presto skillet. We're going to be making 7 grilled cheese sandwiches here, all using one skillet, and we'll be making them at the same time, which is the beauty of having this. Preheat the skillet to about 350 and then lay out all of your pieces of bread. Then you're going to put a thin layer of mayonnaise on each piece of bread. If you're not used to making grilled cheese with mayonnaise, I understand your hesitation. However, as a true mayonnaise hater, I can honestly say that this is the best way to make grilled cheese. It'll make the bread super crispy, way better than butter. But if you refuse to do mayonnaise, just do butter for this step. Next, you're going to assemble. We like to do a little mixture of Mexican cheese and cheddar cheese, and some of these will be 2 slices of cheddar cheese. After a few minutes and checking to make sure everything's melted and everything's golden brown,